In this video, we explore some answers to this question: can a beginner build a website? So, if you want to know how to build a website, stay tuned because I am going to give you a few simple steps which can help you create a website, no prior experience is needed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to walk away with a list of actionable steps to start building your own website. Keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Please give the video a like because that motivates me to make content for you. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. So let me start by telling you that having your own website is vital when you are trying to establish your brand. Whether you're a small business owner or simply want to keep a blog for fun, websites provide an easy way for customers and fans to reach out and find out more about what you have to offer. But it's not always easy knowing where to begin. It can seem overwhelming at times. As it turns out, learning how to build your own website is a lot easier than you might think. Not only is it actually possible to build a website without spending a lot of money, but you can build one even if you have no prior experience. I am now going to give you some easy steps to help you build your own website. Here we go. So the first step is to choose a website builder. Website builders allow you to create your own website based on your preferences. There are a variety of software solutions available on the market today, and they are aimed at designers with a wide range of skills and understanding of the web development field. These have been around for years, but the modern builders are so powerful that one might have trouble distinguishing between a site created using a website builder and the services of an expensive professional. This is because complicated scripts and add-on features have been made simple. Nowadays, many websites that once may have taken a day of coding work to create can now be done with the click of a button. Selecting the right website builder is extremely important because it is the tool that you will use every time you want to make revisions and additions to the content of your site. If a website builder is too complicated, you may be put off making changes which can hurt your website's overall performance. Some of the easiest ways to create a website are with website builders that offer interfaces geared towards beginners. One of the most popular options is those featuring drag and drop tools. Let me now tell you about building your own website with drag and drop tools. While many people still build websites from the ground up, which is using code and scripts alone, there are a number of services that will show you how to make a website with simple drag and drop tools. Knowing how to make your first site from scratch isn't something that comes naturally to a lot of people. So, using website builder sites make it easy for just about anyone to build a beautiful site within just a couple of hours or less. The secret lies in the what you see is what you get interface, where you can literally drag elements onto your web page and view your site exactly as it will appear when it is published to the internet. This foolproof system ensures that you will have a professional and attractive website every time. With website builders, creating your own website is often as easy as figuring out what kinds of extra features you want and letting a drag and drop tool do the bulk of the work. The process begins by selecting a website theme. This is the template that your website will use on all of its pages and includes fonts, colors, and an overall design scheme. Website builders offer themes created by industry experts who know how to optimize websites to perform at their best. When you have selected a theme, you can change your site layout and begin adding some content. Once your content is up, you can choose from a library of different add-ons available to make your site do more. These include tools for search engine optimization, contact forms, maps, and everything in between. The important thing that I suggest you think about is finding the right service for you when figuring out how to build your own website. Let me tell you that some of the more popular services include Wix, Drupal, and Joomla. Which platform you pick depends on how much you know about coding and designing a site. Here is my next tip. Create an e-commerce website to sell products and services online. Creating an e-commerce website may seem like a challenging prospect. After all, there are so many considerations you have to make. From inventory management to shopping cart tools and everything in between, it can be quite an overwhelming venture. Thanks to e-commerce website builders, however, it could not be easier. The process begins similarly to that of building a personal website. You can choose themes, customizations, and extensions, but you also have the option of adding from a plethora of e-commerce tools. Integrated online store management tools ensure that you can focus on your business instead of a website. If at any point you want resources you can use to understand this more, you can get instant access to further online training with the WordPress Starter online course. This course contains so much valuable information that you will not find anywhere else. You can use everything you learn on this course to start your own website. If you want to take this course, I'll have the link in the description box under this video. You can click it at any time. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. Shopify performs all of the functions you would normally have to pay someone else to manage for free of charge. Services like automated shipping and tax calculators remove the programming skills that would be necessary for a site built from the ground up. Value-added features like analytics not only tell you about the customers you have, but also about the potential customers you can create. Whether you are a small business or one that already has a respectable customer base, e-commerce website builders can be a good alternative to creating an online store from scratch. Trusted by some of the largest brands in retail, they truly represent the bright e-commerce future. Let me now tell you about WordPress. WordPress is an alternative to website builders which relies on a content management system which is known as a CMS. Unlike the simple drag and drop method of website builders, WordPress uses a more advanced user interface that relies on greater user knowledge and experience. Despite WordPress having a steeper learning curve than the average website builder, many people use it to build powerful websites. In fact, a report by Open Source CMS showed that roughly half of all new websites built last year were made with WordPress. The reason for this preference is WordPress is an open source platform. This means that anyone can create themes, plugins, and anything else to make your website more interesting and functional. Website builders, on the other hand, are generally more closed. Best of all, WordPress is free and can be used on any host. Let me give you another tip. Understand your brand. A quality website provides an experience focused on a specific message. This message is something you need to think about before you can even design a single page, create content, or select a name. My advice is that you need to understand what your goals are for the site and use those goals to guide all of your future efforts. If you are interested in selling a product, then that is the message your site should focus on. To support that goal, I suggest that you will need a site designed to support e-commerce. By comparison, a site dedicated to sharing information doesn't need functions like a shopping cart. Instead, you need to be able to post and organize your information in an attractive manner. You may also need multiple methods for sorting the content and making it searchable. Here is another tip. Organize your content. Your website is only as strong as its content, whether that is product pictures and descriptions, blog posts, news articles, or cat videos. My advice is that you need to know exactly what you have and how different pieces of content can fit together. You can then use that information to envision how you would like the pages to look and how the content will be displayed. If you are truly a beginner, my advice is that you may want to look at sites that will serve as your competition and figure out not only what they do right, but more importantly, what they do wrong. If you alleviate the pain points of another site, people may visit your site instead. So, of all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you build a website even if you are a beginner. If you need help with building a website, make sure you click the link under the video now and check out the WordPress Starter course. This online course will help you develop your digital skills and provide you with all the training and the knowledge you need to create a WordPress website business from start to finish. The link is in the description below the video, so check it out now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.